How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your Messenger application from your device and then get logged into your Messenger account. Now, in order to remove it, tap on the three-bar icon on your top left, tap on the settings icon or the gear icon here. And here, if you see secret conversation, tap onto it and disable it. If you don't see the option here, you have to long tap onto the secret conversation. For instance, if this is your secret conversation, long tap onto it, then tap delete. Then tap delete again. And once you tap on delete, your end-to-end encryption will be removed from your Messenger account. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.